Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm at Makeup and my name is Bhavani Pasumurthy. So yeah, today I'm going to show you the festive glow makeup look by using the mamaearth ubtan facial kit. So this is how the kit looks like. It has 6 steps to do the facial. So the first step is cleansing milk. But by using this, I'm going to cleanse my face with this face wash. Your cleansing milk. Next, the next step is the scrub from mamaearth itself. So this is how my face looks like after the face wash. Next, I'm going to use this scrub to scrub my face. So the scrub has a tiny particles which helps in scrubbing your face a little bit slightly and without harshly. It has slightly small balls in it which scrubs your face neatly and cleanly. And so yeah, and the third step is the soothing gel. Soothing gel. And then after washing it, the fourth step is the massaging cream by mamaearth ubtan range. So next the step is the face mask by mamaearth, again the ubtan face mask, and let it dry for around 20 minutes like that. And after the face mask, use a glow gel which comes with it, and this is the final step and your festive glow is on. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video and share this video. Thank you so much for watching guys. See you in my next video. Until then, keep smiling, be positive and be happy.